Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans to Gaming. We are doing March 2025 Patreon as part 8. It's the last one for the month. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Be looking at D&D miniatures, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you can do, and we're not putting a link up because these are the ones we probably missed or you probably have watched. The past videos will have a lot of links for these things as well. So we have a nutshell. This is their figure ones as well. Grimlock, this is a Warhammer proxy ones. Looks like we're gonna get some old orcs for I think old worlds and basically make them more cooler. And there's vampires and stuff as well. See what else we got. I don't know if you watched the preview for this one. This is the same company. They do fantasy and 40k. So it looks like we got some Warlord Titans coming up. We got some Space Marine. This might be good for the Dark Templar or the Dark Angel set for it. We got some Terminator captains. Temple Lord Exterminos. I think this would be good for like Dark Templars. And so we have Chaos for this. And this is their version of the Imperial Dreadnought. Looks like it. A Warlord Titan. Well, there's only 2 guns and just nothing but a shield and an axe. So that should be ridiculous, really interesting. And there's also your Imperium. Chaos ones as well. But I do need a Slanesh version of it though. Of Warlord Titan. This is Bella Natch miniature. This is like for D&D. But it's also more looty style as well. Interested in that. And there's International Day Women's Sale that's going on as well. Daka Daka. This is another Imperial. This is the cultist. What kind of cultist? It's freaking the Tyranid cultist. This is their thing, probably their mining vehicle as well. Looks pretty cool. Arcane Workshop. I think this is Decker Kane. Ha! You getting Decker Kane for Arcane Workshop. That's kind of cool. I do love Diablo. Don't like the new one though. But this one's from 3D Moon. This is Magic Marvel Rivals on the skins. See your Nom Nom figures, loot box for these 3. We got a lot more stuff that's coming up. Some Don Don. Let's see here. Francis Quinn. This is another figure. Looks like we're getting Batgirl for it. Imperium God miniatures. So like got more chaos. Probably some Demon Princes. This is probably from the world. Looks like the World Eater version of it. Hyperion Studio just released this one, Gweniverse, whatever it's called. You also get this one too from Azure Lane, Basma Zewell. That is pretty cool. Sin Studio, I think this is for like next month, I believe. Interested? Raspberry 3D Battle Mat. If you have a screen or you want to print out your own battle mat, that's also a good one too. Puppet War Miniature released some updates. So we got some Space Marines and different armor on bikes. I think these are supposed to be chaplains. Chaplains on bikes. And we got some, that's February final update. That's the one that just released for last month that they haven't finished. So we got, I think this is the Rhino, I believe. Not the Rhino. This is the, I forgot what this was called. There's so many goddamn names. I can't cram so many of them in my head. This is for next month. Figure for, what you call it? Was it called Prison Break or something? This one's from I reincarnated into a slime. Rohan Workshop. March packs here with Succubus pinup. A whole bunch of anime style, minis. We already looked at this. We're just reviewing it for this point. But yeah, it's pretty damn cool. Let's see here. Gur 8 Studio. Emma. I think this is from Xenoblade Chronicles 2, I believe, or 3. I don't remember. March, already looked at that in the past. Uak Pala, this is Dark Magical Girl. Yeah, Kazuna Ai. Mr. Mordok. Let's see here, we got the Orc Swan Bug, and so forth as well. Let me see. Sorry about that. So we have some orcs and buggies. They have a lot of orcs and stuff for this one as well. Maybe into 40k orcs. Prey STL. Looks like a infected spider or something for it. Cuttons. Leon Studio, Loyalty, Magahoraga, Jujutsu Kaisen. We got the Ant King coming up, the 5th model of the month. I'm afraid I forgot where the hell she's from. Yeah, it's not low. I'll tell you right away. Don't worry, she'll be the 6th character this month. Marcel, oh, this smells delicious in the dungeon. STL Project, we got the Red and the Green Hulk. Jublix Creation. Minotaur, looks like it. G Minotaur. Got a lot of stuff here for it. But yeah, I always you just look at a video of the STL videos and see what you're interested in. We got a mixture of what you call it, My Mini Factory as well. Like this is Nook Star Art. Their version of the. We get a lot of Marvel rival figures. I know that for a fact. No, Visible Girl has been out as well, and many other portion of it as well. There's Dungeon Classic for D&D. Denizen, Fenderville, Mega Packs as well. Well, anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.